Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's a 2019 Corvette ZR1 Convertible, new for 2020. Car. Here's the back card. Go ahead and pause and read this if you want to. Alright, there you go. So, typical Hot Wheels car, so it's a metal body, plastic base. So there's the base there. And there's the orange paint job, very awesome looking, very nice. You got the details on the hood. Then you got your emblem, your headlights. The grills detail them because it's part of the casting, the plastic part from the interior, I'm guessing. You got side mirrors, which is nice. Not all Hot Wheels have them. For $1 car, anyways. And then you got your taillights back there, the clear ones. In this case, it's white, but it's supposed to be clear in real life, of course. So excellent detailing. Glad to add this one into the collection. So thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.